What's up, guys? This is HG Manufacturing here. Gonna install a new 3-bar map sensor mount right here on this Turbo Fox body coupe. Here's my 3-bar sensor. There's the old rusty mount. Let's grab one of these off the shelf here. Anytime you order one, it's gonna come brand new billet aluminum mount. It'll come with the screws that you need. I'll bring this on over here to the car. I'll get the camera set up here so you can watch me work. Alright, so I'm going to use my impact here to pull off the old rusty mount. Let's see how that's held on. And I may time lapse some of this process just to make the video a little shorter. But you get the gist of what I'm doing here. So it's usually going to be easier if you take the mount or the map sensor off, obviously, and then bolt it to the mount, bolt the mount in, but mine was already set up and I didn't really want to deal with pulling the connections apart. So now it's just time to drive the mounting screws in. I've got an existing hole I can use here, so I'll go ahead and use that. Alright, that's all it takes. Let's get a close up there for you. I know this car is not the cleanest example in the world, but that mount is really nice in there. It's going to give me a little bit of protection for that sensor, and definitely pops. Once this engine bay is actually painted and clean, that's going to look really nice. So glad to bring these to you. You can buy them at hgmanufacturing.net. Order today, ships same day. It'll be there at your door in probably 2 to 3 business days.